Hello everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate, and in today's video I would love to show you the feature of chat that we have on our Morningmate platform, where you can start conversations one-on-one or you can create group chats. Let's start. So there are several ways where you can start a chat. Either it's one-on-one or group chats. First way is to go directly from your homepage, and just by clicking on the chat icon located on the right corner, you will be able to see all the list of the chats that you have currently active, your open chat windows. Also, you have all of your contacts. These are directly imported from your organizational chart, and to start a conversation from here, all you have to do is click on the chat icon located right next to their name. So as you can see, if we click it, we will be directly on the chat window with this particular member. If you want to add several members from your organizational chart, you just have to click on this chat icon. You will have the access to all of your internal organizational chart, external collaborations as well. You can select them one by one, or if you want the entire department, so that you don't really have to go through too much hustle, you can select it right here. We click on the invite button, and then we will have a group chat window open. Right now, we're just not going to disturb them. They're all on vacations. Another way that you can start a chat, you can open a chat window, is from a project. So you select a project where you're participating, and on the right side you will find the participants list. You can start a group chat with all of these participants just by clicking on the chat icon located underneath this list. So if we click it, we get a confirmation button. If we click confirm, you will have a group chat with all of the members of this participants list in this project. If we want to select a specific user, we just click on the chat icon located right next to their name. And once again, we will have the chat window open. Also, you can start it directly from the feed. Let's say you're scrolling down the feed and you would like to have a chat with Sue. We click on her image, we will see her profile, we will click on the chat button, and once again we will have her chat opened for us to communicate with her. Let's say I want to talk with Diana, and I would love to show you a little bit of the features that the Morningmate window, chat window actually has. We have these very adorable emojis that will actually facilitate a little bit of and give it a bit more of a lighthearted sense to your conversations. We have 4 very adorable characters. As you can see, you can choose your favorite one. You can also attach files directly to this chat from My Computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or from shared files. These files are the ones that have already been uploaded and shared for your Morningmate. That way you can use them once again. We also have the option to turn this chat window into a video conference with this button right here. And last but not least, we have the secret message option. So let's say you're sharing some sensitive information that you wanted to be erased from our cloud for any reason you might have. So let's say that I'm gonna send a secret message to Diana, and I want this message to be visible 10 seconds after she opens and receives it. And after that, I would love for this message to be deleted. So as you can see, we send it and the countdown starts. Once the countdown goes to 0, this message will be automatically erased from our cloud. And as you can see, it's gone. Let's say that we are having a conversation with Diana, but I kind of need the opinion of another participant. So all we have to do is click on this menu bar located right here, and we click on the invite button. And from here, we'll once again be taken to our organizational chart, whether if someone internal that we want to add to this conversation or someone external. As you can see, we have a list of all the external participants that we have collaborated before. We just click on the invite button, and then it's a separate window where we can start a group chat with these 2 participants. Of course, they can be infinite number of participants, so you can add as many people as you want, and you will still have all of the features to be able to share and communicate best way you can. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.